Hi everyone, I'm Rozan from the Netherlands and I'm going to color my model Kaya today. She already has this beautiful haircut and we really like to make that stronger. But first I'm going to talk with Kaya about the color, what she likes and what she's looking for.
I want to have a more powerful look, and I think I would like to have a big trench.
I think to create a more powerful look and make your eyes pop even more than they does already is to make your hair a little bit lighter in a natural way, but in a warm tone, because then it creates this contrast with your eyes and it really works out well. And also we use this polychrome technique underneath it with a lighter shade to create dimension and make sure that your hair has more movement. So before I started coloring, I did make some section in her hair. The reason I put the placement in here is because she is wearing her hair in the middle. So we made this almond shape and we make sure we see through the different tones in it when it falls down. Especially because her hair is one length, we would like to see it. And when we place it too low, you don't gonna see it. In this part of the hair, I'm going to use the Igora Royale High Lift shades. At the outside of the almond shape, I'm going to use the 12-22, and in the inside, I'm going to use the 12-91. The reason why I'm going to start with the highlights is because then the high lift stays longer in the hair and it has more time to process to make sure the color is right. I'm going to start with the base tone. I'm going to use Igora Royale, and on the roots I'm going to use a different tone to keep it more natural. On the roots I'm going to use the 7-24 together with 9-24 with 6%. And in the length I'm going to use the 9-24 with 9% to lift it a little bit more and create a fresh look. After coloring Kaya's hair, I'm going to blow dry her hair. I'm using Session Label, the thickener on her roots, to create more volume and also give this strong feeling of her hair. And in the length, I'm using the Miracle, and it's especially to heat protect her hair. After coloring it, I think everyone needs heat protection. So we are ready with the color. I really like the result of the Igora Royal High Lift. I really have a new favorite tone and it's the 12-91. I hope you are happy with your color.
I'm so in love, thank you.
Great! Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our e-Academy, and I hope to see you soon.